Hi everyone, today we are unboxing and reviewing the Lamy All-Star Black EMR for digital writing pen. Let's start with the box. It comes with the stylus itself. Made in Germany, Lamy is a well-known and established brand of pen manufacturing. A black anodized aluminum stylus with a cap and a clip. One of the few stylus, if not the only one, to offer a cap to protect the nib from, for example, a fall. An ergonomic plastic grip with a button. A matte black all-aluminum design. The packaging also includes two replacement nibs and a ring-shaped tweezer to assist in replacement. And that's it for the whole content. We are on a total weight of 21 grams with the cap, but if you find that the stylus is too heavy, you can still use it without it, which reduces the weight almost by half to 11 grams. With the cap, personally, I found that the use is very pleasant and well balanced. It's up to you to see how you like and how it feels. The length with the cap is 17 centimeters, which is rather long. It is reduced to 13 centimeters without the cap, which is rather compact. The aluminum body can be unscrewed, which is in itself has no interest. I've seen some users use it to store spare nibs wrapped in cotton. The diameter of the oval stylus body varies between 11.33 and 12.85 millimeters. It's a rather large diameter compared to other stylus on the market. The cap with its clip is of course a little wider. The change of the nib is easily done with the small ring provided, which will be used as a tweezer. You just have to pinch a little and pull gently. In order to put a new nib, you don't need any accessory, you just have to aim at the hole and press until you feel the spring of the pressure sensor. It's a stylus with Wacom EMR technology, so no battery and no need to pair. Many other nibs are available. We will try some of them. For example, the Onyx Classic, a Remarkable, or a Staedtler one. Let's try the Remarkable. As you can see, it works, and it can give you another writing sensation, as we are going to see it later. It also works with an Onyx nib that have more friction than the Lamy ones, as we will see later. Be careful with the Staedtler nibs, they are very thin. You can put one in your Lamy, but not in the other way. For that, you will have to enlarge the hole of your stylus a little bit. I talk about this in my video about the Jumbo model. But as you can see, Staedtler nib works very well on the Lamy pen. Now some writing tests. According to the packaging, we are on rounded nibs adapted to glossy surfaces. We will test this on the Remarkable 2 and on the Note Air without screen protection, so two quite different surfaces. I will now shut up to let you listen to the sound of the writings and read some comments that I would write on the screen. Now some tests on the Note Air. This is the end. Thank you for watching. If you liked, don't hesitate to like and subscribe. I will make more videos on other stylus. See you soon on the channel.